Hey guys, it's Casey from Stahl Racing, and in this video I'm going to show you how to winterize a Briggs 206 motor. A few tools that you will need are a regular screwdriver, a socket to remove the spark plug, something to feel out top dead center, a small funnel, some new oil, a container for old gas, and some WD-40. We're going to keep the AMSOIL 4T in our motor the whole time that we store it. It helps protect it from rust and like water that might damage it. The first step is to drain all the gas. So if you have any gas in the line here, you want to get rid of that, and the same for the bowl. So that's where your screwdriver and your old container come in handy. Gonna go ahead and loosen this screw down here, and then open it up. And drain all the gas. So once all the gas is drained, the next step is to spray WD-40 into the carb. To do that, you're going to pull that gas line off. You're going to spray through here. You want to leave this screw open. So I just put the hose into an old bottle. Put the WD-40 nozzle in there, and you want to make sure you coat inside, right? So too much is better than too little. So hit it a few squirts. It's going to come out through this tube here. Let it drain out for a minute, and then just seal it up. I put this back on to the carb. I just like to seal it up as much as possible. Kind of a note, I keep the cap and the air filter on the carb just to eliminate any openings for like dust and debris to get in. Next up is going to be the spark plug. Go ahead and remove it. Okay, get the spark plug out. Now we're going to put the small funnel there. Put just a little bit of new fresh oil in there, maybe a teaspoon or so. Once it's in there, put the loosely put the spark plug back in. Just a few turns will do, and then just slowly turn the motor over with the starter. And what that's doing is just coating the cylinder there and the piston with some oil for storage. Next thing we're going to do is find top dead center on the compression stroke. If you have trouble finding it, what you can do is take this off, this valve cover, and you can watch the valves. And the one close to the carb is the intake. And as that opens up, that piston is going down. It'll close up. And once it closes, that's when you want to start checking, because as the piston comes up, that's the top dead center of the compression stroke. And so you'll find that. I just use something to feel the top dead center right there. And then I'm going to reinstall the spark plug. And I tighten it up like I would for racing. Next thing I'm going to do is spray the pipe here with some WD-40 just to keep it in good condition through storage. The last step is to store the motor in like a warmish, dry place. We keep ours in the basement. Basically just somewhere that's not a cold garage or a trailer, kind of protect it from the elements. And that's it. That's how we winterize the 206 motor. So thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and check out the rest of our videos.